guys, so today we're gonna play Berry Avenue. We're in a private server because we're gonna be, I don't know, I'm just bored. Plus I don't want to just open the chat and see tons of people chatting. So prove that I'm in a private server. So okay. Ang cute, so cute. Ay. So, ang adorbs naman, tong mga outfits na yan, ang cute naman. Okay. Oh, cute. Wait, can I wear this? But I'm so sorry guys if I wasn't posting a while because I need to take care of my health. Where? Slay! Haha! Slay naman! Okay. And maybe I should also wear this pants because it's so adorable. Where? Oh, of course. I love this little comfy thingy. This comfy vibe. So, beachside boutique. 10 out of 10 experience. Yeah. How about juice and smoothies? Where's okay, here's the gate. Yeah, no, I think what if I want the strawberry one? Okay, let's just go with banana. Oh god, it's fell. Juices and smoothies, I just rated the solid 6 out of 10 because it's so annoying. It's so annoying. Huh? Bro, who is this loser? Wait, didn't they say I had a private server? Huh? Hi. Hi. Let's be friends. Okay. Come. Come? Okay. Bro, I swear. Bro, I swear. Didn't you just jump and... Bro. Where are you? Bro, where is she? Club? Okay. Okay. Bro, how did she get here so fast? How did you get here so fast? Oh my g, that scared me. Oh my gosh. I don't know. What do you mean I don't know? Did you teleport? Did you teleport? You teleport na. Okay, so I'll just wait. I'll type it to her. I'll be AFK for a sec. AFK for a sec. So yes, it is real. I'll be AFK for a sec. So okay, so real. I was actually AFK for I think a minute or something. something like that. If AFK for something like that. Okay, yeah, let me type. Bro, where is she? Did she leave or something? Wait, let me check. Or maybe did she just okay, so I'll just type first. Where are you? Bro, she's not here. Why isn't she answering, bruh? Wait. Bro, what happened to the chat? Didn't she also chat? Bro, this is so weird. Didn't she also chat? Where is she? Phone. You're no players to message call. Bro, where is she? OMG, 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 OMG. Where is she, bruh? Where is she? Bro, where is she? At least I know the drinks were real. So okay guys, if you find anybody named Vamp, what was her user again? Bro, literally, I know there was a person, but what was their username again? I forgot. So okay, so I'll just end the series here so far. So bye. If you find anybody named Vamp for, I don't know, but if you find anybody who has the same avatar as that, tell me, because is she even real?